This video is going to show you how to create and save your first document in Adobe Photoshop. Once you open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer, you will either click on the Create New button, or you will create a new document by also clicking on File, New. Once you do that, it will open up a new dialog box showing you a bunch of different presets that you can click on, and the one we're looking for is under Print. So go ahead and find Print in the top menu, click Print, and then you're going to search for the letter sized blank document from the blank document presets. Select letter. You can disregard all the other stuff on here for right now and go ahead and click Create. Now it opened up a white rectangle, and that is considered your canvas. The first tool that we're going to use, and actually the only tool we're really going to use today, is going to be the Type tool. And you're going to find the Type tool by scrolling down your list of tools on the left side of your screen, and you're going to find the letter T. Just single click that. Now hover somewhere in the middle of your canvas and do another single click. You're going to have the words lorem ipsum. This is your time to go ahead and begin typing. And go ahead and type in your name. And when you're done typing, you're going to look for a check mark at the top of your screen. When you click this check mark, it is going to make whatever you just typed stick on that canvas. The next tool that we're going to use is at the very top. You have the Move tool. Okay, when you click on the Move tool, you should now have a bounding box that goes around your letters. Now we can click and drag and move that around. If you don't see the transform box around your letters, you're just going to want to look in your upper toolbar and make sure that it has this check mark next to Show Transform Controls. When I have that selected off, I can still click and move it around, but I don't see that bounding box. So I want to see the transform controls around it. And now that allows you to click on the corners, make it bigger, make it smaller, move it around. And anytime you move it around to make that transformation stick, you need to do that check mark again. Alright, that's all we need to do for this document, your very first document. To save it, we're going to click on File, and I always like to do Save As instead of Save, because Save As will give you more options. When I click on Save As, I'm going to go ahead and rename it first. So I'm going to name it My Name, Heckendorf, Photoshop, Test. And next I need to find the Creative Cloud files. I have a favorite shortcut here. You can also look for it up here. Whether you're on a PC or a Mac, it's going to look very different, but you just want to be aware of the destination folder of where you're putting these. And you want to find that destination folder that says Creative Cloud Files. And then finally, check down here where it says Format, make sure that says Photoshop. So I'm looking for three things: the name of my file, where it's going, and then the file format. And go ahead and click Save. And congratulations, you just saved. When this pops up, just click OK. You just saved your very first Photoshop document file. Now if you're in my class, go ahead and submit that to Schoology.